What's up, Guru Nation? Welcome back to the clinical trials guru.com. Keep your questions coming in. So today I got a question from someone, Dan at the clinical trials guru.com, 949-415-6256, all the social networks. So today I got a question from someone who is brand new at a research site. Well, not brand new. She's somewhat new as a coordinator. She's been working with the PI in his private practice. They've now set up a research practice, right? And she's now the coordinator. So she, in preparation of their first site selection visit, her PI, who also has a huge private practice, said, hey, go through my database. Don't call anyone. I have 300 people in my database with this indication. The sponsors are requesting that we do pre-screening so that we have something to show them at our site selection visit. So 300 patients, okay? The problem is when this coordinator went to look at the database, from those 300 patients, yes, there were 300, only 3 actually qualified when she really looked at the details, all right? And by the way, those 3 patients that we miraculously found, so 1% of the database, we don't even know if they're going to do the trial. They might all say no. They might all say yes, but they might all say no. All right, so this problem is indicative with the recruitment problem in clinical research. This person's asking, what do I do? What do I do now? So there's the real world answer, which is what most sites do. You're going to show them and you're going to boast about your 300 patients in your database. But I guess that's the academic answer. The real world answer is you got to go out and hustle. You got to go increase that database. If you're not growing, you're dying. And you've got to let your PI know. First of all, have him watch this video. You, Mr. PI, I love you, by the way. We need more of you guys doing research. You need to expand your database, right? You need to hire marketing people. We have marketing people at our sites. They go out, they do community outreach. They go out to boarding cares, they go out to nursing homes, they go out to other doctors, they go out to specialists, they refer, they sell your site's services. Now your site has clinical research to offer the community. That's great. But you need to expand your database. Mall kiosks are great. There's a lot of things you can do that I discuss in so many of my videos as far as increasing your database, but none of it's easy. That's the problem. All of it takes time. All of it is a full-time job with the right people, right? So you need to go out, like I said, community events. Most big medical indications will have some kind of nonprofit in most communities. You got to get involved with them, all right? We just have our community outreach person because we're doing an Alzheimer's study. She's now part of the Alzheimer's Association. She became certified as a certified support group leader, right? You got to do things like that. Go above and beyond. You got to increase your own private practice database and your clinical research database. So I understand the reality of the situation. You've got to get this study, so you're going to do what all the sites do and boast about your database. But if you really want to actually make money with this study, then you're going to need to get more patients, right? And there's plenty of other ways to do it. You can do Google ads, Facebook ads. Those don't work as well. There is no one solution to this problem. It's just you've got to do everything. I also believe in content marketing, which is what my next startup's focused on, where I believe video is so underrated when it comes to healthcare information. Like, you don't have to do video, by the way. You can do audio, you can do written blog posts. You can focus on writing for other blogs in your community. So if you're in San Bernardino, California, you can partner up with all the blogs or newspapers or magazines that talk about San Bernardino. Like, you've got to do all kinds of things. You need full-time marketing people if you want to make money at this. And content marketing is huge. I mean, there's a reason why YouTube is the #2 search engine in all the world, just behind Google, because people are using YouTube as a search engine. So this is what my next startup is going to be focused on. However, that's kind of going off on a tangent. You need to expand your database. If you're not growing, you're dying. Get the study, do what you need to do. Pray to God that those 3 patients all agree to do it. You can look through the database again. Maybe you'll find 2 or 3 more. So maybe you'll have 5 or 6. But you've got to go out and recruit. There's no substitute for that. Partner with physicians, research naive physicians. And this is for the doctor, if you're still watching, doc. A lot of your colleagues probably are research naive, they might be able to refer you patients. You might be able to give them something in return. Say, hey, refer me patients. I'll put you as the sub-investigator for my trial, and then you can build up your resume so that you can get awarded more trials, or you could be the PI at my company for me, with me. We can split the profits, and I've got lots of videos on how to do that as well. So hopefully this helps. Go out there and network, build your database up, and good luck. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.